Different foods have different tastes. Sweet, sour, spicy, salty, and bitter. Some foods are delicious. Some foods are not delicious. Let's talk about the different tastes of food. These are pancakes. Are pancakes spicy? No, pancakes are not spicy. Pancakes are sweet. Pancakes are really sweet. This is honey. Honey is also very sweet. What else is sweet? Strawberries. Strawberries are also sweet. What else? This is a mango. A mango is sweet too. Do you like sweet things? Or do you not like sweet things? I love sweet things. How about lemons? Are lemons sweet? Are lemons spicy? No, lemons are not sweet and lemons are not spicy. Lemons are sour. Lemons are really sour. What other things are sour? Grapefruits are sour, and some yogurts can be sour too. This is hot sauce. Is hot sauce sweet? No, hot sauce is not sweet. Hot sauce is spicy, very spicy. This is wasabi. Wasabi is also very spicy. What else is spicy? We have some spicy ramen. Spicy ramen is really spicy. These are jalapeno peppers. Jalapeños are very, very spicy. Do you like spicy foods? Or do you not like spicy foods? I do not like spicy foods. This is salt. If you put a lot of salt in your food will be really salty. These are snacks. We have some salty snacks and we also have some sweet snacks. Which snacks do you like? I like both salty and sweet snacks. I eat both salty and sweet snacks. This is coffee. Black coffee. Is black coffee sweet? Is black coffee sour? No. Black coffee is not sweet and black coffee is not sour. Black coffee is bitter. Do you like black coffee? Do you like sweet coffee? I love sweet coffee. I don't like black coffee. This is dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is bitter. And this is milk chocolate. Milk chocolate is sweet. Milk chocolate is not bitter. Which chocolate do you like? Do you like bitter dark chocolate? Or do you like sweet milk chocolate? I love sweet milk chocolate. Today, we talked about different tastes of food. See you soon. Bye.